Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. If you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So please feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you are looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because I am always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Now, this job lead is just a little bit different. It is a little bit more specialized. I normally try to bring job leads that appeal to the masses, that don't require any college degree or anything like that. But today's job lead is from the Capella University. They are looking for someone to do part-time grading of students' work. Now, they do require a bachelor degree from an accredited institution and previous experience working in an academic institution, such as teaching or tutoring. But if you have a bachelor degree and you have a previous experience in the education field, this might be something for you to pick up to make extra money. We know Christmas is right around the corner, or maybe you have home projects you want to do. Since this is part-time, but they are looking for graders to provide and support the faculty by grading written student work. The grader is expected to evaluate the subject content and grammar for accuracy and provide constructive feedback. So you'll accurately read and measure student performance based upon a grading rubric that they give you. You'll fill in the grading rubric and leave detailed feedback, and you'll check student submissions to make sure they did not do any plagiarism or have grammatical mistakes. Now, they are specifically looking for someone who is able to maintain confidentiality, who exhibits sound judgment in making decisions, someone who can keep accurate records, has great verbal and written communication skills, and you have to have good computer skills, including the Microsoft suite of Excel and PowerPoint. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.